fifth past continuous. And the last one, this is present perfect tense. Present perfect. Understand? These are the tenses being used frequently in spoken English. Understand? The first one is present indefinite tense. Second, past indefinite. The third one, future indefinite. The fourth one, present continuous. The fifth one, past continuous. And the last one, sixth, present perfect continuous. Present perfect tense. These tenses, if you have a grip on these tenses and use it continuously in your spoken English, I think that it gives you, I say that, flexibility to speak English very easily. Understand? The first one is present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense, there are two helping verbs, do and does. Do and does. Do stand for plural subjects. What are the plural subjects? I, we, you and they. These are the plural subjects. And does stands for singular subject, he, she, it, or name of any person. Or name of any person.
Sir, we are counting I in plural.
I seem to be one, but in use it's plural. I seem to be one, but in use it's a plural. Understand? For example, when the sentence is interrogative, when sentence is questioning, जब कुछ पूछा जा रहा हो, then you are supposed to use these two helping verbs. Do stands for I, we, you, they, and does stands for he, she, it, or name of any person. Simple sentence, he goes. Now this is simple. It's not interrogative and negative as well. It's simple. Then you are supposed to use, which one is correct one? He doesn't or do. Go or goes. Now this is a singular subject. Singular subject के साथ हम do लगाते हैं या does लगाते हैं?
Does लगाते हैं.
Well done. जब does लगाया तो ये es भी खत्म हो गया. This is the right one. This is wrong. You are using here he does not go. He does not go. Now this one is present indefinite tense. In present indefinite tense उर्दू में निशानी है, फिक्र के आखिर में ता है, ती है, ते हैं. सिंपल पढ़ा रहा हूँ. हमारी लैंग्वेज उर्दू है, हमारी ये मदर टंग नहीं है इंग्लिश. हमें सिर्फ थोड़ा सा फ्लुएंट होना है. हमें इनके जो रूल्स हैं वो थोड़ा सा सीखने पड़ेंगे. प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस को उर्दू में निशानी क्या होती है? फिक्रे के उर्दू के फिक्र के आखिर में ता है, ती है वगैरह. ये सबको पता है. आप देखें हम सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं, कभी हम ही से बनाएंगे, कभी हम शी से बनाएंगे, कभी हम इट से बनाएंगे, कभी हम अली से बनाएंगे, किसी का नाम होगा. सो यू टेक केयर. इफ द सेंटेंस स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, if the sentence starts from he, she, it, or name of any person, then you have to use s or es with first form. मसलन go है तो goes बन जाएगा, kill है तो kills बन जाएगा, smile है तो smiles बन जाएगा. हमने जो singular subjects हैं उनके action के साथ s और es के इजाफा करना है. He goes or go. He go or goes. It fly or flies. Flies. Aslam go or goes?
Goes.
Oh, okay. People sit or sits?
Sits.
No, people sits. जमा आ गया. People sit. Akram goes or go?
Goes.
Well done. You go or go?
Goes.
No, you go.
Go.
You go. She smiles or smile?
He smiles.
She smiles. They go or goes?
They go.
They go. Because they is a plural. And you, there is a plural. And there is no need to use s or es with the verb form. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
There are two helping verbs being used in present indefinite tense: do and does. If there is a simple sentence, then simple,
Yes, sir.
singular sentence, then you are supposed to use s or es. किनके साथ लगता है he, she, it or name of any person. If sentence is plural, sentence starts from plural subject, I, we, you, they, there is no need to use s or es with the verb form. You go, he goes. It fly, birds fly. Bird flies, birds fly. People say, man says. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And similarly here you can, this is present simple. There is one more definition. जब आप डेली रूटीन की बात करेंगे तो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट इस्तेमाल होगा. डेली रूटीन में सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट, सूरज मशरक से तलू होता है, ये रेगुलर है. दिस इज रेगुलरिटी ऑफ लाइफ. कभी एक दफ़ा तलू तो नहीं होता, रोज़ाना तलू होता है. जो डेली रूटीन में आप बात करोगे, जो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट टेंस में बात करोगे. अगर दुनिया में यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ है, कायनात में सच है, तो उसमें भी प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट से बात करोगे. किसी की हैबिट है, तीन चीजें मैंने बताई हैं. इफ देयर इज अ हैबिट, यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ, डेली रूटीन, इन तीनों के लिए आप प्रेजेंट टेंस इस्तेमाल करेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? जेन में रख लें ये तीनों चीजें. राइट डाउन. इफ देयर इज अ डेली रूटीन, यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ, डेली रूटीन. डेली रूटीन, universal truth, universal truth and habits. The third one is habits. इन तीनों के लिए आप प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट, प्रेजेंट सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के इस्तेमाल करेंगे. देखें डेली रूटीन, आई गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, आई गो टू स्कूल. डेली रूटीन है. आई गो टू स्कूल, आई गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. The sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west. This is universal truth. डेली रूटीन में आप प्रेजेंट टेंस इस्तेमाल करोगे. कायनात में सच है, the sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west. This is universal truth. And habit, I drink milk at night. यानी कि ये मेरी डेली रूटीन है, मैं रात को सोने से पहले मैं दूध पीता हूँ. दिस इज योर हैबिट. ही टेल्स अ लाई, वो झूठ बोलता है. दिस इज अ हैबिट. ही स्पीक्स ट्रुथ, वो सच बोलता है. दीज आर थ्री थिंग्स विच आर एसेंशियल्स. ये तीन चीज़ें हैं जो प्रेजेंट टेंस में हैं, इसमें बोली जाती है. एक है यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ, दूसरा क्या है हैबिट, एंड द थर्ड वन इज ओके. Once I will construct one sentence and you will make it negative and then interrogative as well. First of all, you. I go to school.
I do not go to school.
And
Do I go to school?
well done. He sleeps.
You do not.
No. Yes, he sleeps and make it negative.
You do not sleep.
He shade के साथ does लगता है. He does not sleep.
Yes.
Does he
Does he sleep?
They play.
They do not play. Do we play?
Do they play? And make the other one. Birds fly.
Bird does not fly.
No,
Does
birds है.
Birds
do not fly.
fly.
Do birds fly? Okay. Boys play.
Boys do not play.
Do
Boys play.
do boys play? Okay. They write a letter.
They write a letter. They do not write a letter. They write a letter.
Do they write a?
Do they write?
Do they write a letter? I break the ice.
I do not break the ice. Not I.
Do I break the ice?
Ice.
We drive a car.
We don't drive a car. Do we drive a car?
Do we drive a
Drive a
car? They smile.
They do not smile. Do they smile?
Well done. I sleep.
I do not sleep. Do I sleep?
Okay. Just the other, sit down. Have a seat. The last one. Okay. You tell me. We read a book.
Yes, sir. We do not read a book.
Do we read a big book?
Do we read a book?
Book.
Okay. So similarly, now you, I look at.
I look at. I do not.
I do not look at. Do I look at? Okay. I write.
I do not write. Do I write?
Well done. I read.
I do not read.
Do I read? Okay. Now this is a present indefinite tense. You constructed one negative and another is interrogative. Now I put questioning and you have to answer it. Do you sleep at night?
Yes, I sleep at night.
Yes, I sleep at night.
night.
Yes. Do you smile?
Yes, I can smile.
Yes, I
Smile.
smile. Good. Do you listen to me?
Yes, I am listening to you.
No, I am not. No, I listen to you.
To you.
Okay. Do you look at me?
No, I don't look at you.
Yes. I look at you. I do not look at you. Okay. Do you go?
Yes, I go.
Yes, I go. Yes. Do you put a question?
Yes, I put a question.
Yes, I put a question. Does she drive a car?
Yes, she drive a car.
Yes, she drives a car.
She
Okay. Does the birds fly? No.
No.
Do the birds
No.
fly?
No, he do not applies.
Do the birds fly?
Do the birds fly, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The birds
The
fly.
birds fly.
Okay. Do the people play?
Yes, do the people play?
No. Yes,
Yes,
people play.
Play.
Okay. Do they swim?
Yes, they swim.
Yes, they swim. Do they smile?
Yes, they smile.
Yes, they smile. Do you listen?
Yes, I listen.
Yes. Yes, I listen. Yes. Does she write a letter?
Yes, she write a letter.
Yes, she writes a
A
letter.
letter.
Yes, she
Writes a
writes
letter.
Please tell me where to use S or ES. Tell me. Where to use S or ES in a sentence?
Sir, I will there. We not use S. We use ES, sir.
Yes.
He, she, it, we use sir only S, sir.
No, no. Only S or ES is used with singular
Plural, sir.
singular
Singular
subjects.
we use this, sir.
He, she, it are name of any person.
Yes, sir.
With the subject, with the action of these subjects, you are supposed to use S or ES.
Yes.
और एक और भी मैंने बताया था. Where to use S and where to use ES. The words which end the letters CH, SH, double S, double Z, X, Y, O. Then you are supposed to use ES. Look at. I can erase it. Okay. The words which end in letters, वो words जो अभी तक हमें ये पता है कि S सिर्फ इस्तेमाल करते हैं और ES इस्तेमाल करते हैं. The letters which the words which end in letters CH, double S, double Z, yes,
SH.
double Z, O, Y, X. Make any words ending with the letter CH. Catch,
Which?
catches. Pass, passes. Buzz, buzzes. Go, goes. Cry, cries. Relax, relaxes. If I write here, he kill. Only you are supposed to use S or ES. देखिए एंड पे L आ रहा है, क्या इसके अंदर L है? जो लेटर्स इनमें नहीं होगा, जो लेटर इनमें नहीं होगा उसमें सिंगल S इस्तेमाल करेंगे, और जब ये लेटर्स होंगे एंड पे उनके साथ हम क्या इस्तेमाल करेंगे? ES. अंडरस्टैंड? He catches, he passes, it buzzes, he goes, he cries, he relaxes. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And now you are busy. You put a question in present indefinite tense with do and does. Yes. Let's start. आपस में बैठकर अभी आपने एक्सरसाइज करनी है. Do you speak?
No.
Yes. इस तरह आप आपस में बैठ
आप सर आए ना चाय पिए
आप आपस में ना कन्वर्सेशन करो.